Morning guys, it's Gary. Today's adventure, we're gonna hit a couple of waterfalls. It is right at 7 a.m. on the 5th of June. So we're just off Highway 138 in Southern Oregon, and first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to find, not find, but we're gonna go to Waterfall Falls on the Umpqua River Highway. And I do have a guest here, and it is Eric, Fat Man on a Bike. And the reason Eric's with me today is because my buddy Leo is just way too busy to be with his buddies. So Leo, wish you were here. When we get to the falls, we'll get back with you guys. So we're going to start our adventure right now. Well guys, that's Waterfall Falls. I hope you can hear me. Well worth the little 1 mile straight up hike. Very beautiful, scenic, green, lush. Remnants almost like Hawaii. I mean, seriously. So take a closer look. Hey there, so we're headed down the loop side of the trail. So it'd be like the west side of the Watson Creek, I guess. Eric should be back there. And we're just headed back to the truck. And we're gonna head off to another one. So hang on, we'll be back with you in a few minutes. All right guys, we're searching for number 2. This one here is Toketee Falls. So what we got right here is a, I don't know, 12-foot tall redwood pipe wrapped in tar and wire. And what it does is carry water from a lake that's above us down to a power plant. You can tell, I mean, it's been here forever. Got like leaking up here. It just, but I mean, for its age and what it does, it works for them. So yeah, we're gonna start on the trail. I'll show you some more of the pipe here. Another big leak, like right there. And down here at the start of the trail, in the bright orange shirt, is Eric. So pretty cool pipe. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. So I can hear the falls, I believe anyway. Really nice trail, well maintained. just, it's pretty awesome. This is a cool tree right here. Oh, so that was out here in just this little rapids down there. Okay, we'll keep chugging along. I'll let you know in a second. What goes up must go down. Hey guys, so we made it to Toketee Falls. It's right there behind me. Really pretty. It dumps into a pool and then dumps back into the Umpqua River. So we might be able to do one more. So just keep watching and stuff. But we're just I'm gonna turn the camera around, get a closer view for you guys. Just enjoy God's beauty. So we're headed back towards the car. Got probably about a quarter of the way, and we're still trucking. Alright guys, that's waterfall number 2. I don't know what's on the agenda, but if not another one, if you can, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and be ready for the next one. Thanks. Bye.